After a bone-shaking ride with all four wheels in the same orientation,
he has the hiccups.
I see him.
some different configurations.
He's
the
so
orientation
cute.
we had our wheels in for our most recent
Do you see his hiccups?
Yeah, I did.
It was. But this is not the only orientation. We need to have our four wheels. We could mount two of our wheels at a
Poor
45-degree
baby.
offset to the other two, thus doubling the frequency.
They're really strong.
First off,
Yeah.
a little recap of why four
I can see them. I mean,
are
like,
so uncomfortable.
Rick, he's...
Ow.
But will offsetting the wheel degrees.
He doesn't like having the hiccups. Poor baby.
I didn't expect that to be.
But will the 22.5-degree combination be even better?
The way this works.
Now I can show your mom that he has the hiccups. Okay, honey.
A closer look at the 22.5
Those hiccups are very mean, huh?
up and down